we got our block glued in here, and we've let this set up. So we're going to start to round this all down. But what I want to do first is we need to mark the center so we don't lose our center when we go to drill our hole for our stick. So we need to find our center here. And then we'll go this way. So we got the center marked, and we don't want to lose it. We're going to shave this down to this size here, which is about 2.25, because this is what's got to fit inside the head. So we're going to take all this out and round it down. Now, since we don't want to lose our center when we're sanding, we're going to take this punch here and put a hole right here, so I won't lose my center when I'm sanding. So we got that there. So like I said, we're going to round this all down, and I'll use my 4-inch belt sander to get this tapered down. Because you want this to fit inside the body here. This part here you want to sit down inside here, about level with that. So that's why we're going to round this all down. So we'll go out, we'll sand this down, and then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.